Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the quiet rhythm of your own breathing, the subtle sensations of being here now. There's no need to change anything, no need to force anything. Simply allowing your awareness to soften and turn inward to that inner space where transformation begins. And you might notice how your body knows how to relax, how with each exhale, a little more tension can simply melt away. A little more heaviness can leave your shoulders, your jaw, your mind. And it's interesting, isn't it, how the simple act of noticing your breath can bring you so completely into the present moment. A moment that is safe. A moment that is whole. A moment that is perfect, just as it is. I'm going to speak to you now in a way that allows your conscious mind to rest, to listen in a soft, unfocused way. So, take another deep breath now. And as you breathe in, imagine drawing in a soft golden light. A light of pure potential. And as you breathe out, imagine releasing any resistance, any doubt that joy is your birthright, that gratitude is your natural state. With every cycle of breath, in and out, you are moving closer to that truth. And you can begin to remember a time. It doesn't have to be a grand moment, just a simple, genuine moment where you felt a flicker of pure joy. Perhaps it was the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of genuine laughter, the comfort of a cozy blanket, the taste of something delicious. Find that memory now. Let it come to you. And as you locate it, just notice where you feel it in your body. Is it a warmth in your chest? A lightness in your heart? A smile that starts from within? Good. Now, amplify that feeling. Let it grow just a little brighter, a little warmer. And as it reaches its peak, take a deep, deliberate breath in and gently press your thumb and forefinger together. This is your anchor, your personal physical trigger for this state of joyful joy flows through my veins as naturally as my blood. It is the energy of my life, constant and renewing. And with this knowing, a deep, unshakable contentment settles into my bones. And with this knowing, a deep, unshakable contentment settles into my bones. I give thanks for the miracle of this breath, for the incredible automatic functioning of my body, for the intelligence of my cells and the resilience of my spirit. Gratitude for this breath becomes gratitude for this life. I appreciate the challenges of my past, for they have carved depth into my soul and strength into my character. I am thankful for the journey, every step of it. And from this place of appreciation, I release all resentment, all regret. They simply dissolve in the warm light of my thankful heart. And with my heart is an open vessel, constantly filling with appreciation. It overflows, and this overflow becomes my gift to the world. I find sincere joy in the happiness of others, their success, their laughter, their peace. It all adds to the beautiful tapestry of human experience that I am a part of. My joy is connected, boundless, and inclusive. I am grateful for the quiet. I now notice the small hidden blessings I used to overlook. The comfort of a chair, the clarity of clean water, the wonder of a working mind that can hear these words and understand them. Awareness of blessings expands exponentially, making every day a treasure hunt of divine appreciation. Joy is my default setting. It is the quiet hum beneath everything. Even when sorrow visits, joy remains a deep, steady current in the ocean of my soul. I can always return to this current. I can always find this hum. It is who I am. I am so thankful for my senses that I can see color and light, hear music and silence, feel touch and temperature, taste sweetness and savor, smell rain and earth. My senses are portals to daily miracles, and I walk through them with awe. Gratitude rewires my brain. With every thought of thanks, I strengthen neural pathways of positivity, abundance, and health. My thankful mind naturally attracts more to be thankful for. It is a self-fulfilling, beautiful prophecy. I find profound joy in simple progress, in a deep breath, in a completed task, in a kind word spoken or received. I am no longer waiting for monumental joy. I am discovering the monumental within the minute. I am grateful for my capacity to feel all of it. I give thanks for the people in my life, the teachers and the companions, those who have loved me, those who have challenged me. All have been perfect mirrors for my growth. I send waves of silent gratitude to them now, and I feel those waves returning to me, multiplied. My gratitude is an active force. It transforms perception. It turns meals into feasts, rooms into sanctuaries, routines into rituals, strangers into potential friends. I am an alchemist, and my gratitude is the philosopher's stone that turns base metal into gold. I allow myself to feel joy fully, without hesitation or guilt. I deserve this expansive feeling. It is my nature. My laughter is medicine. My smile is a beacon. My glad heart is my greatest contribution. And now, gently activate your anchor. Press your thumb and forefinger together. It's the veli for this very moment, for this quiet, for this guidance, for this profound choice to shift my inner world. This moment is the point of power, and I fill it with conscious appreciation. And now, gently activate your anchor. Press your feel this gratitude in your physical heart. Notice if it feels warmer, lighter, more open. Feel this joy in your energy, a vibrance, a tingling, a sense of being wonderfully, perfectly alive. Hear the silent sound of this peace, a quiet hum of contentment that needs no external reason. Every cell in your body is listening. Every cell is absorbing the vibration of these words. I am grateful. I am joy. Your subconscious mind has received these instructions perfectly. It knows exactly how to integrate them, how to filter your perceptions through this new lens of abundance, how to summon this feeling of grateful joy in your daily life. You can trust this process completely. It is already underway. Now, begin to gently return your awareness to the room around you, carrying this golden, radiant feeling with you. It is not something you leave behind here. It is something you wear. It is the new atmosphere of your own being. Notice the feeling of being in your body, grounded, present,